Lying here as a 33-year-old watching a movie, and the best feeling in the world is knowing that I can do this and my business continues to run on complete autopilot. It runs 24 hours, 7 days a week. I only work anywhere from 1 to 2 hours in order to make sure that my business continues to run. By the way, it's a step-by-step blueprint, and if you want to know more, give this video a like, comment blueprint, and I'll share it with you. This very same blueprint that I'm referring to has assisted me in generating over $23,900 online, my friend, online, and that's about just over 430 South African rands. Now, if you are sitting there right now watching this video, if you think this is BS, then I suggest comment the word blueprint. Check it out. I'll send you an email, in actual fact, and I'll share the information with you as to what you need to do in order for me to send you the email, and then you can see exactly what it is that we're doing. Now, if you're lying there or watching this video and you just want to find a way out, you perhaps want to change your financial future, change things around, my friend, maybe get some debt off your shoulders, start breathing again. Like I said, comment blueprint, let me share the information with you.